What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be using the Spirit Evelyn kit in Roblox Bedwars. Okay, just teleported back there. Not sure why that happened. Anyways, let me just get the soul. And now I literally have a speed boost and even a extra health, which lasts for some time. At least I got that guy's bed. Anyways, this kit is probably even more OP than the Uzi kit, which used to be the most OP kit. I'm pretty sure this is more OP. So yeah, let's just test this kit out this video. Yeah, look at this man here with a Uzi sword. Let's see which one is more OP. Okay, he does have a wooden sword, so that's kind of unfair, but I literally just got extra health right there. How OP is that? Let me just get this man here. I don't even care if I fell with the void, because I can just do that, and yep, he's dead. GG's. Bro, the last dude is a Uzi kit user. He's calling me pay to win because, well, of course, this kit is even more OP. And, yep, now he's claiming to be new to the game, of course. Dude has a diamond sword, but I don't really think that even matters because I can literally just get extra HP off nowhere. And, yep, GG's. This kit is so OP, bro. I'll go ahead, get this guy's bed. And I don't really think I even need the ability. Yep, GG's. Just got queued with the same dude. Yo, I bet this guy is so pissed right now. It's the same dude who I got the final kill on. And yep, somehow got queued against this guy again. We're just gonna get him out of the game again. Yep. This guy is pissed. Yep, I just got the final kill. This guy is crossing a bridge and yep, he just fell. He had a lot of loot on him. Okay, for some reason this random dude is chasing me. I'm just gonna do a drag clutch right here. It's not a clutch, but yeah, just bridging up. A lot of the time that looks like auto clicker, so yeah, I'm not using an auto clicker. That dude is teleporting all over the place. I don't know what he has on me. I didn't even like break his bed or anything. He just randomly started chasing me. I guess he's trying to get my emeralds. Okay, bro, that guy just teleported again, seriously. That dude is still on me. Where is he? I think he's gonna come any sec. Okay, he's right behind me. Okay, I'm just gonna fight him. Actually, no, why am I doing this? I have a stone sword. Okay, I'm running away again. At least I got my ability, and oh god, bro, I suck at using this kit. Okay, the only reason the dude's chasing me because I don't got a diamond sword, which is I'm gonna get like right now. So yep, this guy's dead now. Okay, I didn't even need to use the ability. Well, GG's. All of that chasing for nothing. The last two dudes are newbies. They've literally been rushing each other this whole time. They just got the bed right now. I kind of feel bad, to be honest. Yeah, I think they're pretty new at the game. I could give them a free win, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go ahead get their bed. Yeah, I really feel bad though. They're all like new players. They seem to be new players. So yeah, kind of feel bad, but well, let's just get the final kill. And GG's. I kind of feel bad though. I don't even care if he has a stone sword as well. This ability is so powerful. Just gonna be annoying and bridge up. Probably go above his bed. I'm just gonna jump down. Yeah. I mean, he has a stone sword, but does that really matter? Yep. Let me just go ahead get this guy's bed. Well, at least I got the bed. GG's. Casually bridge up the blue's bed. And yep, I got their bed. Bed just got destroyed. I think I'm gonna go to purple next. Okay, what? Bro, come on, man. I could have totally won that game. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.